Tractor Ted and Midge head off to the field. They have found lots of tractors at work.
What are they doing, Tractor Ted?
They are getting the ground ready to plant the potatoes. Look, that makes the beds for them.
A bed for a potato? I didn't know potatoes have beds.
It's not a real bed, Midge.
This is the bedding machine. As it drives along, it makes a deep furrow in the soil. This is where the potatoes will be planted. Not a very cosy bed.
Look, Midge, this is a really clever machine.
This is the de-stoner. As it drives along, it collects up the stones from the new beds and then drops them to the side. Now the potatoes are able to grow.
Wow, look how many stones there are, Midge.
There are so many. They are all lumpy and bumpy.
Now it's time for planting.
Whee! Look at me! I can see all the tractors working from up here.
Oh, Midge, you're so cheeky.
Time to plant potatoes. Off to the field we go. Deep in the ground is where potatoes grow. First we make their beds and take out all the stones. Then along comes the planter to plant them in a row. Plip, plop, into the ground they drop. Plant one potato, it will turn into a lot. A little bit of sunshine, a drop of rain too. Down in the ground they'll grow. Yippee-dippee-doo. Into a lot. A little bit of sunshine, a drop of rain.